guys, welcome back to the channel. It's getting to this time of year and you should have already been doing this, but I'm just going to demonstrate how to prune back the tomatoes. So once you start forming fruit, so as the strength goes to the tomatoes and not the leaves. I don't mean cut them absolutely bald, you can take out a few of the side branches, the these ones, especially the ones that start to curl. Then you're going to have the tomatoes ripening a lot quicker. But just take a few leaves every other day because you don't want to shock the plant too much, and also keep them well watered. You don't want them to dry out because that's when the tomatoes will split as they're ripening. So I water mine, give mine a good soaking every couple of days. Other people have got different methods. Some people stand them in trays of water, which I'm possibly going to do next year, but at the moment, first year, that's what I'm doing, every couple of days. So that's about it on pruning tomatoes. I mean, I've been doing it for quite a few weeks now, but I just thought, you know, for those that haven't done it or don't know how to do it or whatever, this might be useful. Well, I've also started an area that I'm going to put a bit of decking on, which might end up in another area for pots. I don't know yet because I'm always changing my mind. So let's have a look at that. There we go, folks, that's the first stages. So everything's been cleared. I've moved the carpet for that area. I'm going to dig that for next year. I'm probably going to put potatoes in there. I've used it under here, under these pallets. They're pretty heavy duty pallets, but it will help stopping it rust. That is sitting on 3 bricks. That's just to sort of level it. And I've got a wee bit at the back I've got to repair. So that's maybe a bit more tidying up around here. But I'm actually more happy with that. It's a few more bits to go. So that's part one.